guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm walking the dog, so I apologize for any bounciness, but I wanted to come on here and tell you some really exciting news. If you've been following me for a while now, you'll know that I have been trying over the last few years to do like a Feliciannurse on the road. Kind of get out there and visit subscribers and do meet and greets and things like that. Well, I have my first one coming up in not this weekend, but the following weekend. I will be driving to Connecticut and meeting up with I can't even say it's a subscriber because she and I have developed such a wonderful relationship and I consider her a friend. And we have been communicating for the past few years now, but we've never met, and we will be meeting, and I'm bringing the camera. So if this is something you guys are interested in, I will be doing these and making a point to go visit some of you. Obviously, living in New Jersey, I will start this by, traveling within reason. But I do plan on venturing out and hitting some states and going out west and south and all over the place. So obviously it's not going to be done all in one clip. It's going to be intermittent and when I can take off time from work. So yeah, I'm super excited. I don't know if she wants me to mention her name in this video, but she has given me permission to vlog it. So when we meet up, you will see everything. You will be seeing the first time we meet, seeing some discussion. We're gonna go have a meal together, so you'll see what we eat. And yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait. So, like I said, if any of you guys are interested in this and want to see this, let me know in the comment section. And if you live somewhat near New Jersey, let me know and maybe we can set up a meet and greet. And yeah, that's it. So I'm super excited. Just wanted to let you all know the plans, and I'm so excited. Have I said that? I'm excited. All right guys, that's my little video for tonight. Exciting news, can't wait, looking forward to expanding on this. And if you have any suggestions on what you would like to see myself and this person talk about or anything, let me know. I still have not this weekend, but the next weekend, so we have time. You coming, Ma? All right, guys, I'm going to walk my dogs. Have a great night. Talk to you soon. Bye.